Hello. Okay, today we're going to talk bronzer. This is going to be a really quick video because there's really not much to say about it. Contour is a color you use that's darker and it's to mimic shadow. So for me, it just emphasizes my cheekbones. I naturally have a shadow here, but for some people with rounded faces, they don't really necessarily get that shadow. So it will carve them out a cheekbone. For me, it also helps slim down my forehead. Bronzer, on the other hand, is designed to warm your face up to look like a tan. So you're not gonna put it in the same spots you put your contour, although it does end up in similar locations. So I have pretty neutral skin tone. As a whole, your bronzer is going to be a warmer color than contour. That doesn't mean you're going to be using necessarily a super warm bronzer. For me, if I do something too warm, it's going to look funny on me. Okay, so I'm going to put it kind of where the sun naturally hits me. My forehead here. And on the top of my cheekbones here. And I got a little bit, see that? It's a little dark. I'm gonna fix that and blend it out. And I'm gonna pull it a little bit on my neck too. Okay. So now I'm just gonna blend. I'm actually gonna use the other end of this brush to help blend it up and out into my hairline. I'm using the Maskcara Bella Bronzer, and what I love about it is because this is a cream product, it blends so beautifully. And that's it. So now you can see from one side of my face to the other. I'm not going in with a super dark color or anything that's a really orange color either. Just really soft and simple. So when you look, it just basically kind of looks like I've been in the sun a little bit. Okay, so let's do the other side. So I'm gonna put it kind of very similar, and I'm barely touching my head and kind of pushing and feathering. That's what happened here. I went in and touched too hard and it deposited a lot of color. I just go in very lightly. You don't need to jam the brush into your head, and working it in. Now this is the color that I would usually stick with, but I put a little bit too much on this side, and that's okay. It's not too much for what my face can handle, just too much for what I normally would do, and that's quite all right. I kind of marry it in with my blush a little bit, but I try not to pull it too far forward. So contour, when I contour, I'm contouring all around my hairline just to kind of sculpt my forehead down. Here I'm not. I'm just warming up the very kind of high points of my face and then bringing it down my neck a little bit. And that's it. Now, if you end up using a highlight shade that's a little too light, you can kind of bring your contour, do not dab in for more contour. Just take what's left over on your brush and you can just very lightly go in like here if you don't want it to be super light, and that will kind of darken that up for you. But that's it, really easy. So contour we use to help shape our face like art. Bronzer we use to warm up our face like we've been in the sun and got a nice tan, except for we weren't in the sun. All right, guys, bye.